Carol Mwaura nĩakorwo akiumbũra atĩ she's currently in hospital, na arekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno agĩcokeria ngatho Waweru ũyũ nĩ gũkorwo akĩmuonia wendo, sending her a get well soon card arĩ thibitarĩ, na akauga ma this is just temporary, she'll be out of this hospital bed soon. And she shared this akiuga having a friend you've never met one on one but comes through for you is such a blessing. Waweru ũyũ tura wĩ mũrathime. Received your get well soon card. I believe I'll be okay. I'll get out of this hospital bed soon. And then she shared this photo here. You can see here, this is her arm. She's in hospital. Na acoka ashare mbica ya kandi ĩrĩa akorwo agĩtũmĩrwo nĩ Waweru ũyũ, a get well soon, a package ya kũmwĩra she will be out of this hospital bed soon. Na agacokeria Waweru ũyũ ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩ kũmũririkana, na akauga matimacemania one on one, they've never met face to face, but Waweru ũyũ is that one friend that always comes through for her whenever she's going through difficult times, na this being the perfect example. Na thutha ũcio ona mafans ake nĩmeyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kũmũmĩrĩria na kũmwendithĩria kũhona kwa naihenya, na mũno mũno makĩmwĩra she will be out of this hospital bed soon, na healing is her portion. Terry akiuga healing is your portion mama, get well soon. Nancy Njoroge quick recovery, Carol Triza get well soon mama, Anastasia Nyambura quick recovery, she blessed akiuria wa ni nini mbaya tena, healing is your portion girl. Na ona ithuĩ tukamwendithĩria kũhona kwa naihenya, quick recovery Carol Mwaura. Na ũmũthĩ onaguo nĩtũrakũngũĩra gũciarwo gwa Karen Ithagariene, actress Karen Ithagariene, na onake nĩakũngũĩra birthday yake na njĩra nene mũno, Moso agĩshare TBT photos of her journey, her life journey, harĩa anjirie up to today when she turns 44. A happy birthday to her. She has even revealed her age akiuga she turns 44 today. Happy birthday Karen Ithagariene.